For all you master chefs at home and people who love playing food games, this one is for you. Already endorsed with celebrity chefs and does everything from farm to table. With this Food Fury big event, it is your chance to save the Foodverse. To start, OneRare is a food metaverse combined with an NFT gaming economy, co-founded by Supreet Raju and Gaurav Gupta. The platform uses NFTs as a core element and has already partnered with some celebrity chefs, iconic restaurants, popular cooking shows, and well-known food brands. Things like Maggi, Papa John's, The Spoon, and Master Chow. Now, the game involves creating unique food NFTs that represents the iconic items from these culinary entities. OneRare mints NFTs, and these NFTs can be owned, traded, and used within the OneRare ecosystem. Now, what you guys are gonna love is the Food Fury Alpha event. Food Fury, a thrilling game in the Foodverse, is launching its open alpha globally. It's a high-speed race where players need to deliver warm meals to save the Foodverse from hangry citizens. Players need to deliver food across different cities and deal with things like challenging maps, racing against time, and competing against other players. You'll face challenges on this one, and it is on the global stage for you to compete with everyone. That's right, the team is absolutely thrilled that they're able to bring this alpha global event to everybody. And to celebrate this milestone, they're going to be giving rewards away weekly. So not only do you get to have the fun of playing this game, but you can get prizes as well. So the better and more often you play, the more chances you have to get some ORare tokens, as well as some exclusive dish NFTs. But before you jump into the game, you need your Foodverse driver's license. The player must pass a series of tests to prove their driving skills, master the art of navigation, and showcase their ability to deliver orders swiftly and efficiently. Now, for the weekly leaderboard, the game is free to play, and the best part, your performance in the game is what determines your position on that leaderboard. You're going to want to keep your eye glued to that leaderboard because the top 50 places get some rewards. So for the top ranking players, rank 1 securing 50 ORare tokens and 4 dish NFTs, rank 2 securing 49 ORare tokens as well as 2 dish NFTs, number 3 we're getting 48 ORare tokens and 1 dish NFT, and then from there rank 4 to 6 you're getting 47, 46, and 45 ORare tokens. And then as you can see, it counts all the way down, and rank 50 gets 1 ORare token. And one thing you should pay attention to is really try and get those dish NFTs because they're going to use them in a strategic manner. Now, the ones you own contribute towards your munch on the leaderboard. So the more munch you have, the higher you can climb on the leaderboard and get even more prizes. So when does this event start? It's basically right now, February 1st at 8 p.m. UTC. Set your alarms so you don't miss out on this action and these prizes, and to participate, make sure you head on over to OneRare.io.